Good morning, you guys. So many people have been asking about how I do my hair wrap. So I'm on my way last minute trying to take care of some business, and babe just put me on the spot.
Yeah, because you were getting going and I thought it'd be helpful.
So I'm just joking. But anyway, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys this right here is 1 foot of fabric, and I'm just gonna show you how I wrap it. I put it on my head like this, and to crisscross in the back like this, and I got loose ends, you see right here, so I want to kind of tuck those so it looks smooth. Once I get ready to actually pull it up, I'm going to take one side and cross over like this. You see how it looks smooth? Here's a frail end, so I'm going to cover that up like that. Pull that down a little bit. Take this side, any side that's like hanging. Hey, beautiful. I'm going to pull in like this. Now I'm pulling the other side like this and tucking it in. It looks more difficult than it is, y'all. It's so simple. And I'll pull it out right here so it's not too tight. Scrunch it down like this and voila.
A little 360 for the baby. Oh wow, that's great. That's great. That's great.
I'm gonna get you, babe. Guys, maybe I'll do more videos at another time. We'll see, but hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you could, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and have a Merry Christmas. Mwah.